Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First look at the headlines. Mining operations in Goa may not resume for next 2 years. No mine can start without wildlife clearance even if Supreme Court lifts stay, says expert appraisal committee, a Prudent exclusive. CM writes of Kasturirangan report on Western Ghats, says it is detrimental to Goa, difficulties in mine survey as GPS ineffective in monsoon season. Politics behind Airport Authority asking for additional land at Daboli, clarification required on earlier allotted land from AAI, says CM. Lusophonia Games infrastructure constitutes 75% work of national games, says Manohar Parrikar. Cost of opening and closing ceremonies brought down. And Savio Messias contemplates resigning from vice chairmanship of All India Football Federation's technical committee. Now the news in detail. The expert appraisal committee has clearly stated that no mine in Goa falling within 10 kilometers of the eco-sensitive zone will be allowed to resume operations without a clearance from National Wildlife Board. Prudent is in possession of a copy of the minutes of the last meeting of the committee. Insiders from the mining industry say that the procedure to acquire wildlife clearance requires at least 1.5 years. So even if the Supreme Court allows mining in Goa, no one can expect maximum mines to be functional for at least the next 2 years.
Prudent is in possession of the exclusive copy of the minutes of meeting of the expert appraisal committee. In its last meeting before seeking extension, the committee has made certain things very clear. Approval from National Wildlife Board mandatory for the mines falling in eco-sensitive zones. Notification of eco-sensitive zones by Goa government will not be applicable retrospectively. 4 mining leases out of 139 cases have asked for NBWL approval. 3 permissions granted. 135 cases without NBWL permission. This means even if eco-sensitive zone is marked as 1 kilometer in future, the distance will not be applicable retrospectively. Hence, extraction over the last few years may be considered as illegal. The EAC clearly states that eco-sensitive zones marked by other agencies wouldn't be considered as valid till they are notified by the MOEF. Currently, it is 10 kilometers. Industry Insiders says the following. Getting approval from NBWL is a tedious process. Minimum 1.5 years required to get the approval. Process of getting the approval involves tremendous groundwork. Process may begin once Supreme Court lifts interim stay. This means maximum mines in Goa would not start for at least next 2 years. Considering this scenario, Goa government pushed for early hearing of the case in the Supreme Court. On Wednesday, Advocate General pleaded for speedy hearing in the court. He was advised the following by the Apex Court. The case would be heard by a separate bench. New Chief Justice is taking charge in next couple of days. New Chief Justice will form new bench for hearing. Separate bench for mining may be constituted. For now, there is no fixed date of the next hearing. Optimists believe that the case might come up for hearing in August, but the possibility of mining operations getting resumed for next 2 years is very bleak. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kasturirangan report on Western Ghats is equally dangerous as the Gadgil report to Goa. The Chief Minister has said that government will not accept Kasturirangan report. PM's office has already asked for a report on the distance of the iron ore mines in ecologically sensitive zones, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Chief Minister has confirmed that such a letter has been received by the Goa government on 5th July. The CM has confirmed that the process of collecting information is going on, but GPS is not functional due to bad and cloudy weather. Information is collected through ground toothing.
Chief Minister has said that Kasturirangan report on Western Ghat is as detrimental as Gadgil report. The Gadgil committee had recommended various measures for the protection of Western Ghats, including ban on industrial activity in the eco-sensitive zones. K. Kasturi Ranjan panel report on Western Ghats suggests that around 60,000 square kilometers of the southern hills spanning across 6 states be declared as no-go area for mining, thermal power plants and heavily polluting industries.
Kasturi Ranjan report sudha it's dangerous as that Gadgil report, because 3 of the talukas are completely isolated. He is taking taluka boundary as boundary. We are not accepting that, for example. Economic activity will पूर्ण बंद करा. मैं आणि गिराक जाय तर कोणाक गिराक नोकरेक धरून काय कोणाक गिराक जाय आणि हे गिराक जाय इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज नाका आमी घरात सुशेगात बसूया पयलींच्या भशेन बुडकुल्यांनी रावया जाल्यार नो प्रॉब्लेम. I have no problem.
CM has confirmed that government has received a letter from PM's office on 5th July asking information on boundaries of iron ore mines around eco-sensitive zones, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. CM informed that much reliable GPS system for survey isn't functional at present due to heavy monsoon and cloudy weather.
The Prime Minister's letter 5 July. Okay. तातूंत ताणें काही गजाली उरल्या त्यो फक्त इंडिकेट केल्या त्यो बेगीन दी म्हणजे ते कंप्लीट करपाक. इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन एवरीथिंग इज गिवन. 100% डेटा हॅज बीन प्रोवायडेड. तशी तांच्यांनी परत मागली की वॉट इज द बाउंड्री बिटवीन वायल्ड लायफ, इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन एंड मायनिंग पिट्स. गेल्या दिसांक घोघो पावस चालू आहा. त्यामुळे DGPS जायना. ढगाचो क्लाउड आसत जाल्यार तुका यू कॅनॉट यूज सॅटेलायट इमेजिनरी फॉर पर्पज ऑफ मार्किंग. त्यामुळे आता जाका ग्राउंड टू थिंक म्हणटा पळय ते आमी चालू केला एक्सरसाइज. दे आर आस्किंग अस what is justification of 1 kilometer. अगो प्रश्न हा की what is justification of eco sensitive zone when eco sensitive zone itself is a part of wildlife. When we have decided wildlife, in fact in Goa wildlife has not even been decided. These are just intentions and they were declared during President's rule. They were not properly discussed.
Daboli Airport issue has sparked a tussle between Airport Authority and state government. The Chief Minister suspects politics behind the demand for additional land by the Airport Authority of India. He says government has allotted enough land for the airport, but the same has been left underutilized till date. Until and unless authority specifies the land use, the government will not allot more land. The government has also refused to allot land for the proposed Southern Western dual railway track.
काही लोकांचे पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा असतात तातूंतल्यान हे जावचें ना. दे हॅव गॉट एक्सेस लँड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीच्या चेअरमॅनान बरयल्लें पत्र 13/2/13. ही इज गिवींग दीस लेटर एनक्लोजर. तुम्ही पळया चेअरमॅन बरयल्ल्या पत्रांत त्या जाग्यार कार पार्क हो शब्द सुद्दां ना. हाजेर ताका हांव 50,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो दिवं, पण इट इज मेनली फॉर कार्गो वेअरहाऊस एंड फ्युएल फार्म. ह्या दोनूय एक्टिविटीक हांव दिवपाचो ना. इफ दे वॉन्ट कार्गो लेट देम टेक इट फ्रॉम नेव्ही. फ्युएल फार्म टाक्यो बांदपाक पेट्रोलाच्यो जाल्यार लोक बांदले जे पळय आतां सपोर्ट करता पळय तेच शिगमो मारीत येतले म्हजे कडेन. म्हणून हांवें तांकां यूज पॅटर्न म्हाका सारको दी म्हणला. तो यूज पॅटर्न सारको दी पर्यंत हांव कसोच जमीन एक्स्ट्रा दिवपाची ना. म्हज्या हिशोबान दिल्ली जमीन तांकां पार्किंगा सकट सगळ्या गजालीक एडेक्वेट आहा. गोवा सरकारान अजून पर्यंत तांकां मोर दॅन अरावंड 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन दिल्ली आहा. 40 वरार तो आतां जो नवीन टर्मिनल आसा ताका दिल्या. त्या शिवाय म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी 40-50 हजार अन्य तांकां जागो प्रायम जागो थंयचो दिल्लो आहा. ताजेर ते कुसकूट सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी करूं ना. इफ दे कांट डू इट न्हय लेट देम हँड इट ओवर टू मी. म्हजे कडेन जमनी दी हांव सगळें पार्किंग बिर्किंग सगळी फेसिलिटी हांव डेवलप करता. हांव सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या खंयच्याच एजन्सीक गरजे भायर कसलोच जागो दिवपाचो ना. साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे एका ट्रॅकाचो डबल करूंक सोदता. गोवा गव्हर्मेंट डज नॉट वॉन्ट दॅट डबल ट्रॅकिंग. वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर. We will not give any permission for double tracking. It is basically being double tracked mainly because of MPTचो कोल. थंय पळय ते फ्रॉड करून 2-4 कंपन्यांक कोलाचे पळय हे दिल्या पयशे घाल्या हातूंत तांच्यांनी. ते कोलाचे पळय ते प्रायवेटायझेशनच्या अंडर पळय ते बर्थ दिल्या पळय तो कोल शिफ्ट करपा खातीर हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आहा. इंडस्ट्री कांयच खबर ना. वी हॅव रिफ्यूज्ड. वॉट एवर हॅज कम आय हॅव रिफ्यूज्ड. टाउन प्लॅनिंग हॅज रिफ्यूज्ड. एवरीवन इज रिफ्यूजिंग अँड वी विल नॉट परमिट दॅम.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.